Hello guys, so I'm back with another video today. I'm sick again, and while I'm sick these days sometimes, I make slime. So this is the glue that I'm using. I bought it in Wexford, and I'm using this saline solution right here. So now I added some glitter. No, mix it. And then we add some activator. Should be enough. So guys, I made the slime now. So it's not a very good slime, but it's good enough for contact lens solution. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really stretch. It does stretch, but it smells kind of bad and kind of good. But I don't really like the smell. And I'm going to keep it in this container. I was going to keep it in this lid, but since I have this container, I'm going to keep it in this container. It's actually pretty good slime. Next video will be about another slime making. I didn't test my other glue out. It's like a white Bosch glue. You know, the Blue Tack? Yeah, it's a Blue Tack brand glue. Here, I'll just show you it in a few seconds. 3, 2. Okay, this is the glue that I'm going to do in my next video. Hope it works. So, yeah. So this actually well, I'm gonna start a new series of slime, a pass or a go. A go means leave, like bad, not leave, but like a bad one, like bad or pass. So yeah, this one is in the middle, so it's a bad pass. So yeah, but if I had to choose, I'd give it a pass. So it's pretty good, but it's not really pokey or anything. It's kind of crunchy. Like, listen to this crunch. Not really. And it makes your hands like very wet, but not really. There you go. So, bye.